Think pork is just bacon and chops? Stop right there. Here are 7 underrated pork cuts that are not only delicious, but also budget-friendly. These cuts deserve a spot on your plate today. Let's dive in. Pork neck is an underrated cut that's both flavorful and versatile, making it a hidden gem for carnivores. Known for its rich connective tissue, it becomes tender and juicy when slow cooked, as the collagen melts into a silky texture. This cut shines in braises, stews, and casseroles, or it can be sliced thin for stir-fries. Grilled pork neck, marinated in spices, develops a smoky, caramelized crust with a melt-in-your-mouth interior. Its robust flavor and adaptability make it a standout for hearty, satisfying meals. Typically priced between $2 and $4 per pound, pork neck is a budget-friendly option for carnivores. It's often sold whole, providing a large portion that can be trimmed into smaller cuts for various recipes. This affordability makes it ideal for meal prepping, as it freezes well and retains its quality over time. Found at butcher shops or specialty markets, pork neck offers exceptional value for flavorful dishes. Pork belly is the ultimate indulgence for carnivores, offering a rich combination of fat and meat that delivers unmatched flavor. Known for being the source of bacon, pork belly is incredibly versatile and shines in a variety of dishes. You can roast it to achieve perfectly crispy skin, braise it for melt-in-your-mouth tenderness, or use it in soups for depth. Its balance of textures, crispy on the outside and succulent on the inside, makes it a standout cut. With simple seasonings like salt and pepper, pork belly becomes a show-stopping centerpiece for any meal. Pork belly is usually sold in slabs or pre-sliced strips, priced between $4 and $6 per pound. While slightly more expensive than some cuts, it offers excellent value due to its bold flavor and versatility. Buying a whole slab and portioning it at home can save money and adapt to various recipes. Common in Asian and European cuisines, pork belly is beloved by food enthusiasts for its rich taste. Whether for a special occasion or a weeknight dinner, this cut ensures satisfying, flavorful meals. Hungry for more? Sink your teeth into the carnivore life. Subscribe to Meet Me Here for all the juicy insights. Pork cheeks are a hidden gem, often overlooked despite their incredible flavor and tenderness. These small cuts become melt-in-your-mouth tender when braised, making them perfect for dishes like stews or pasta sauces. Rich in collagen, they add a luscious texture to meals, elevating even simple recipes to gourmet quality. Their balance of fat and lean meat pairs beautifully with bold seasonings like wine, garlic, and herbs. Pork cheeks offer endless possibilities for adventurous cooks seeking unforgettable meals. Priced between $3 and $5 per pound, pork cheeks are an affordable option for those looking to explore unique flavors. They're commonly available at specialty butchers or online suppliers, though your local butcher may source them on request. Compact and easy to handle, pork cheeks require minimal preparation, making them ideal for home cooking. Whether slow cooked in a rich sauce or simply pan-seared, they deliver restaurant-quality meals. Pork hock, also known as ham hock, is a flavorful and economical cut, perfect for traditional comfort foods. This cut comes from the pig's lower leg and is rich in connective tissue that breaks down during slow cooking. The result is tender, melt-in-your-mouth meat, ideal for soups, stews, and braises. Smoked ham hocks add depth to recipes like split pea soup or collard greens, enhancing every bite. Its bold taste and unique texture make pork hock a hidden gem for carnivore meals. Typically priced between $1.50 and $3 per pound, pork hock is one of the most affordable cuts you can buy. It's sold fresh or smoked, with smoked versions offering a savory, robust flavor for any dish. You can find pork hocks at most grocery stores or butcher shops, and they store well when frozen. They're a great option for meal prepping, as their rich flavor improves with slow cooking. From broths to roasts, pork hock proves that low-cost ingredients can shine in any meal. Pork jowl, often overlooked, is one of the most flavorful and tender cuts you can find. With its rich marbling, it's perfect for slow cooking, smoking, or even frying into crispy bites. This cut offers an indulgent mix of textures and is incredibly versatile, ideal for carnivore meals that feel luxurious yet remain budget-friendly. If you've never tried pork jowl, you're missing out on one of the best-kept secrets in the world of pork. For a simple preparation, season the jowl generously with salt and pepper, then slow cook it until tender or fry it for a crispy, protein-rich treat. Priced at an average of $4 to $6 per pound, pork jowl is an affordable option for creating indulgent meals. Cut from the cheek and jaw area of the pig, this meat has a unique combination of tenderness and flavor. Pair it with crispy pork belly slices or a juicy steak for a feast that satisfies every carnivore craving while staying true to the diet's principles. Pork shoulder, also called Boston butt, is celebrated for its versatility and flavor-packed profile. It's heavily marbled, making it ideal for slow cooking, as the fat renders into the meat, creating juicy, tender bites. This cut is perfect for pulled pork, tacos, or hearty roasts that feed a crowd. Its thick fat cap crisps beautifully into golden crackling, adding texture and a rich, savory taste. With seasoning blends like salt, garlic, paprika, or mustard, it transforms into a meal highlight. Economically, pork shoulder is a smart choice, typically priced between $2 and $4 per pound. It's sold in large portions, making it ideal for meal prepping or feeding families on a budget. Bone-in or boneless, it offers flexibility for recipes and freezes well, retaining its rich flavor. Purchasing a whole shoulder lets you trim portions to fit various dishes, reducing waste and saving money. Pork skirt is a thin, flavorful cut that often flies under the radar, but it's a must-try for anyone on the carnivore diet. Its thinness makes it ideal for quick grilling or searing, locking in juices and creating a caramelized crust in minutes. Priced at just $4 to $6 per pound, it's an economic choice for a fast, tasty meal that doesn't compromise on quality. Slice it thin against the grain after cooking for tender, melt-in-your-mouth bites that are packed with flavor. This cut's simplicity makes it perfect for those busy days when you need something quick yet satisfying. Season it with salt and pepper or your favorite dry rub, then toss it on a hot grill or skillet. In less than 10 minutes, you'll have a meal that feels like a delicacy, proving that tasty, budget-friendly options can also be incredibly convenient. Now that you know these hidden gems, what's stopping you from adding them to your meals? Imagine the flavors, the textures, and the satisfaction of knowing you're eating smarter and tastier on a budget. Which of these cuts will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if this inspired you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. There's so much more to discover about the carnivore diet, and you don't want to miss it.